Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can find someone on Bigo Live. So to get started, go ahead and open our Bigo Live application and the user face will appear like that. Now on the top corner you can see the search option. Go ahead and tap on. So if you want to find someone, you can just enter their user ID or the live title or anything you have. If you have the person's username, you can just go for it. So let's say I want to find this person. Once you search for it, you can just see many results has been appeared on my screen. So once you have found their ID, you can just add them or join to them or anything you like. So that's all guys, this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.